45 money rules to live by. Part 1. Invest in assets. Invest your money. Manage your money until you're old. Overspending is not an answer to insecurities. Don't let anyone know that you have money. The greatest wealth transfers happen during a crisis. As you get older, your expenses will grow. Wealth accumulates over time. Invest now and reap the benefits later. The most important things to do if you find yourself in a hole is to stop digging. The worst investment you can have is cash. Speculation is dangerous, especially when it looks easy. If you purchase things you don't need now, you will only end up selling the things you need in the future. Don't just go with the trend and follow what others are doing. You don't have to do extraordinary things to achieve great results. Hope isn't an investment strategy. Time holds more value than money. Make a profit when the market is at its worst. Oh yes, never let greed destroy you. Diversification is nonsense. No, it's not. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Dividends are very important. You have other options other than the stock market. Patience is key. Invest in companies with simple and direct business models. Invest in companies with addictive products. If you need help, get in touch with me, lifestyletipsbyAntoaneta.com, and follow for part 2. Like, share, and follow for more.